In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a gallery block in Squarespace. So you want to first go to your page where you want to add your gallery block, and you want to click on the edit button up top. And from here, you'll notice this is my blank page here, but of course you can do this on any page you want. And if you click on add block over here, I can search for gallery and nothing pops up. This is because you can't actually add it via here, but you have to go and add a separate section. So if I click on add a section over here, I can scroll down on the left, and then here under images, if I click on images, it's going to show me a bunch of different things, and a few of them are going to be galleries. So you have this one over here, you have this one, and then there's a bunch of different ones. Pick the one you like. I'm going to just do this one over here. It's going to add that specific section, and then by clicking on the edit gallery over here on the right, you can just go ahead and basically add descriptions. You can delete images from it. You could go ahead and add your own images, stuff like that. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.